Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to talk about how to make a WooCommerce checkout like Shopify. So, as you can see, we are at already on shopify.com, and if I open my store right over here on the top, you can see I will end up over here and we have some items over here. So I'm going to show you like how it looks like when you have default cart. So after that we will talk about some plugins which we can use to change and to create something like Shopify, because we need a very neat cart, but at the same time we need very productive, right? So as you can see over here, we have some items over here. We can choose any one of them or two of them. I'm just going to click on add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, all of them, right? And on the top right corner you can see I have three items I have already added and $1,450. Click on it and it will take you right over here, and if I click on proceed to checkout, and you can see we are over here. So you can see this is very, you know very minimal, but at the same time it's very basic. It's not that flashy for your eyes and very engaging for our customer, and you need to change that. This is a default version which WooCommerce are like create that for you. So this is the checkout page actually, so just remember that this is the checkout page. So you can add your email address also over here and every single details over here which you want to add, and then obviously click on place order. So we're going to change this and we will leave this over here for now. Why? Because we are going to add it, like we are going to create that, right? So the first one which we can choose like plugin, you just need to go over here and go to add new, and once you click on it, it will take you right over here. Go over here and click on the search plugins. Search for Woolentor. Sorry, Woolentor. Once you search for it, it will take you right over here, and the first one you can see Shop Lentor, WooCommerce Builder for Elementor, and there are more, right? So I have already downloaded it and activated, and you can see this logo on the left side over here, Shop Lentor. So click on it and it will take you right over here. You can see there are multiple options over here which, like you can see, like rename label, says notification, but we need Shopify's uh cart checkout, right? So you will end up over here actually. So you just need to click on over here on modules, and over here you can see Shopify style checkout. Click on the settings of it, and the first option is enable and disable. You can just enable it and save changes. And there are multiple other menu options over here. You can see you can add your logo over here. You can add bottom menu if you want, and what would be the menu, like you can choose menu for Shopify style checkout. You can add that if you want. Show phone number field, you can enable it. You can enable company name field. You can enable hide card navigation, hide shipping step, rename labels. You can enable all of these. There was only used to be only two, but right now you can see there are more of it. So what you need to do, just click on save changes. Once it's done, there's nothing you need to do. Why? Because if I go back over here and go back to this page again, like you can see over here, if I view my items over here again, click on it, go to proceed to checkout. Obviously we have already these items in our cart, right? So proceed to checkout. You can see everything has changed, and this looks so good than before. Like you can see over here, we can add email on top, and it used to be over like on the bottom, right? And everything is in front of your eyes. On the right side, you have your items, your details, subtotal and total, and you don't need to even scroll down. Everything is on your face, like first name, street address, apartment, town, city, and country, region, United States, and state and zip code. Continue to payment. It's very easy. You can even add coupon code over here. So in my opinion, this is one of the best plugin which you can choose, and you don't need to anything, like you don't need to do anything else. You just go over your plugins, search for Woocommerce, and go to their settings and modules, and easy go to Shopify style checkout and enable this, and everything will be over. Like everything you need to do, everything has been done. So there's second method also which you can do, but for that I just need to go back again, right? And I need to disable this plugin for now. So I'm just going to, in my installed plugin, I'm going to scroll down. Over here you can see I have Woocommerce, where it is Shoplenter, sorry. You can just deactivate it, and after that search for WooCommerce blocks. So WooCommerce uh, blocks. Oh, sorry, this is installed plugin. I'm just gonna click on add new. I'm gonna search that over here, and the first one is, you can see, this is WooCommerce block, and this plugin doesn't work with your version, so I just need to update my uh, WordPress, right? So I updated my WordPress, and I'm gonna click on install now. It might take some while, but over here let's just click on activate now. And right now what you need to do, you just need to go over add pages. Over here you can see we have our checkout page over here. You can just click on view. Obviously right now we have you know normal old, because we have disabled our Woocommerce, right? That Shopify page, right? So I'm just going to open that pages again, and I'm going to click on edit. So you can see there is nothing over here, right? You can see over here there is nothing, but what we are going to do, we are going to click on it, we are going to delete it, remove it, and click on block. Go to scroll all the way at the bottom, and you can see over here checkout, like last one bilkul, you know so you can just click on it, and you can just drag it over here, and here we are. This will be our new checkout page. You just need to click on update, and it will appear on our checkout page. So there's nothing else you need to do. You can see how minimal it looks like, and if you want to add some changes, you can also do that. So this is how you are going to change your WooCommerce checkout like Shopify. So this is the second method, and I have already shown you like the first method, which is very easy. So these two options which you can choose for your Shopify checkout pages, and I hope you understand every single thing. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.